Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sushant. Today we are at the next topic, that is concluding the attack, and we are going to use the various underestimated techniques of calculation like we discussed previous time. How the altering of move order is a very important technique related to calculation. So we will use other techniques also, like we need to find candidate moves, we need to assess the situation, what is going on in the position. So firstly we see that black king is very badly caught up in the center, but the main problem white is facing, his rooks are not able to deliver attack to the king. So the black knights are keeping the position closed. So what happens here is, as soon as we spot this weakness, the two questions which I always tell, what is the weakness and who is the defender. So this knight turns out to be the key defender here, which gives the candidate move rook e5, right? But after rook e5, d e5, many players are unable to find whether to do rook e5 or queen e5 and which is more dangerous. In fact, we would consider queen e5 to be more dangerous because knight c7 check is threatened, knight c5 check is threatened. But in the line king f7, which is almost post, we can see rook e5, de, queen e5, kf7, knight g5, kg6. We see that the king is escaping. So here instantly white changed the order of moves and looked at the line rook e5, de, rook e5. Another very important ingredient of altering the move order is we can alter the idea also, or we can use one idea from one variation into another. So what white does here, just copy paste the thing, he puts the move rook e5 and now sees that king f7, then after knight g5 check, the g6 square is not available. Still it's tricky and we have to find some precise moves there. So white went with the move rook e5. See, it's not a huge stack. Rook e5, d, rook e5. He must have evaluated this position almost close to winning. As it is, previously he was clearly better. One pawn for exchange, poor king position, and top of that, see, kf7 force. There is the threat of knight c5. So now white started again, same process. Finding moves here, we see that very few moves exist over here. One is the very important knight g5 check. There could be the move c5, trying to use the knight. There could be the move very important c d6, trying to get this bishop to d5, which happens to be a great candidate. But white started with the move knight g5, king f8 forced, and here comes another very important ingredient. This I have discussed in my very old lessons. When a full-fledged attack is going on and we are trying to deliver mate, often the waiting move becomes very dangerous. And this is where many people are unable to find. And we see that computers are able to do this very quickly. So now what happens? After the move knight g5, king f8, white found the very strong c rook e6, avoiding the trade of queens, threatening rook f6 check, winning the queen. And this forces the queen to really go away from the center of the position and the center in this case. So knight g5, king f8, rook e6, and this I would say decides the game. Now multiple threats are there. First is very easy one, rook f6. After q d8 there is also the move rook b6 threatening knight e6. So black played the move queen a4, and now see, white understood that queen is guarding the e8 square. So again this time see, weakness is e6 and the e8 squares. Because queen e6 is available, then what happens, this queen should not retreat. So white found the very important, see, another slow move b3. Stops q d1, attacks the queen. See, these kind of moves are very difficult to find. But see, these are idea based. We are using the tactic on one side and then changing the move quickly on the other. So these are some very underestimated techniques of attack, but masters use this very easily. Now see, there are two problems. Firstly, queen a2, this was played in the game, and black could have played queen a3 also. Still same tactics happens. I'll just show you the difference here. Queen a3 would have definitely been a better defense. The point is now, after rook e8, k e8, queen e6 check, queen can interpose on e7. In the game what happened? First let's see that after queen a2, it looked like rook e8, k e8, queen e6 check, it's game over. See, here black resigned because k d8 then nf7 mates, and king f8 then queen f7 is checkmate. Queen a3 would have been a better defense, but the same tactic still works. See, rook e8, k e8, but the point is that now white will not play queen e6 directly, but first he will go queen c8 check, forcing k e7, and now queen e6 check, getting the same position in other way. See how the moves are used and the move order is being changed. This is a great technique if we understand the importance. Now see k d8, knight f7 waits, king f8 and same q7 and white wins. So it was a slightly difficult example. I won't call it a very complex one, but I would say it's a very interesting one. Do let me know in the comments below. Thanks for your time.